What's up, guys? It's your boy Johnny Bananas. I am here at the Men's Health Gym in the heart of the Big Apple. And today, I'm gonna take you for a little BTS of how Johnny Bananas stays fit at 40. And on the challenge is still running circles around guys half my age. I like my workouts to mimic my line of work, and the challenge is always shifting, it's always changing. So when I come into the gym, I usually don't have one specific routine or one specific way that I train. I like to keep my body confused, and I like to really shake it up every time I'm in here. So I like to focus mainly on functional strength exercises, but I'll switch them up and I'll incorporate different ones into different routines all the time. And basically, it's just about trying to keep every facet of my body strong and kind of off balance. So follow me back here, and better tighten up your diaper pins because it's about to get bananas. I always start my workout with a warm-up. In my younger days, the warm-up was not an important part. I would literally go in and just start throwing weights on the bench and bench pressing. However, now I'm like an old diesel truck, all right? It takes a long time to get warmed up and to get the engine running. So what I like to do, it's the easiest way for me to warm up, treadmill sprints. I'll start at about a 6 mile per hour, run at 6 for a few minutes, and then gradually increase the incline, 5-10 minutes of that, and you're ready to go. So one of the exercises I love is rowing. Rowing is great because it's a full body workout. It incorporates pretty much every muscle from the ankles up. And if you're able to train your body and keep your body endurance-wise up to par when it comes to rowing, that will help in a lot of other areas. This is sometimes what I will actually incorporate into other circuits that I do. I generally like to get more than one use out of a single piece of equipment just for ease and efficiency. So what I'll do is I will use the bench from the rower seat, the floor stabilization to basically do an ab workout and do pikes. Being able to use one machine and to accomplish multiple things on it, it's more efficient. And also a lot of times if you're in a crowded gym, especially if you're here in New York City, you don't have a lot of space to maneuver. So finding multiple uses for one machine or one piece of equipment is it's the way to go. The core is crucial to the challenge because a lot of the challenges that we do involve functional strength, being able to control and manipulate your own body weight. There's a lot of different workout exercises that I like to do with abs, but I like to just a simple medicine ball pike into mountain climbers. It's an easy workout to do, but it'll get you good. Wait, are we still shooting here, or is this some BTS? Don't incorporate this into the edit, okay? Because I want people to think that I just did that entire workout with no breaks in between, okay? This very unassuming, simple piece of equipment here could be very beneficial. So what I do is, it's called the box jump over, where you basically start on one side of the box, jump on top of it, jump to the other side. Not only do these help with your fast twitch, not only do these help with your explosiveness and your vertical, it's also a killer cardio workout. Next exercise up, we're gonna do landmines. This is another great total body exercise that incorporates a lot of explosive movements, but also very fancy footwork. And there's no better workout to get stronger, to continue to increase your balance and your stability than landmines. These are called hang cleans. You can do as much as you want with this exercise. You can just do a straight hang clean. You can do a squat hang clean, or you can do a squat hang clean into a press. So it's just all about how groovy you're feeling and how much you want to get that heart rate up. And again, I know I keep beating a dead horse, but the challenge is all about functional strength, and it's all about being strong and balanced overall, not just in one area. And these are perfect for just keeping your whole body ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the TRX. Honestly, for such a simple apparatus or device, the amount of things you could do and the amount of options you have with the TRX are endless. What I'm gonna demonstrate here on the TRX is called the pistol squat. Pistol squats are great. You're basically squatting with one leg. You're using these to help keep you balanced, but you're also incorporating a row into the squat at the same time. And again, this is perfect for functional body strength. It's perfect for core stability. It's perfect for balance. It works your stabilizer muscles. So anytime I can mix in functional strength with strength training, it's the way to go, and the TRX is the perfect way to join those two worlds together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was my workout. Thank you for stopping by. I want to thank Men's Health for letting me come by and take over their gym for a little bit. Live, love, go bananas. Now get the hell out of here.